Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Niza Global Coin. It's easy to get this token. All you need to do is open up your browser, log on to coinmarketcap.com. Once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till where you can copy the contract address. Once the contract address has been copied, scroll a bit more and you'd find the market section where this token is being hosted. We have Uniswap and Mexi as centralized and decentralized exchanges that are hosting the tokens. So I'll be showing you how to get the Niza Global on a decentralized exchange, that's Uniswap, and a centralized being Mexi. So simply minimize and open up a wallet that supports Uniswap. And in our case, that's Trust Wallet. So open up your Trust Wallet, simply search for Ethereum, ETH. Make sure you have some Ethereum, that's the mainnet Ethereum. If you do not have this Ethereum, click on buy and simply buy your Ethereum on your wallet. So guys, once you've purchased the Ethereum, head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply search for Uniswap. You'd find it in the popular decentralized exchange spot. Click on Uniswap Exchange, give it time to load in. And once it's loaded in, click on the connect option and select the wallet connect option. And when the list of wallets come in, click on select wallet and then select the Trust wallet. Click on connect and our wallet is connected successfully. Now in the place of select token, click on select token and paste the contract address we had copied. Once the contract address has been pasted, click on Niza, click on I understand. Now you could simply exchange and then simply click on swap and pay the $6 gas fee. But in order to avoid this high gas fee charge, minimize and open up your centralized exchange, which is Mexi. With Mexi opened up, we can get the Niza coin there. Click on Mexi. Now, once you're on Mexi, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account on Mexi, by using our link in the description of the video, you can claim $1,000 bonus worth of USDT on the Mexi platform when you register and verify. With a verified account, how can you buy the Niza Global on Mexi? Head to the wallet section at the bottom right. Once at the wallet section, click on the deposit icon you see, and we could easily deposit any cryptocurrency we have outside of Mexi. And with that in mind, once you've deposited crypto, you could as well deposit fiat by clicking on the buy crypto option. So you scroll to the end of the wallets and click on fiat and select buy crypto. Enter an amount of euro or dollar or GBP, that's pounds, you wish to spend in getting the Niza Global. So once you've entered an amount of your fiat currency you wish to use, it will then be converted to a cryptocurrency of your choice. And once that's done, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen where we have TET USDT. Click on it and search for Niza. Click on Niza USDT, click on the limit option, that's your trading pattern, and click on market. By using market, we get to buy it at the current price of the market, that's the Niza token, at the current price of the market. And enter an amount of USDT you wish to spend, click on Buy Niza, and it's done. If you head to the wallet and head to the overview, click on spot and perform a reload, you'd find the Niza coin on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.